Hi everyone, it's me Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to solve a particular problem related with the exponents. This is very interesting and amazing question. This looks like very complicated but it is very easy. Please watch this video till the end so that you will get the answer of this question as well as some properties of the exponents. And if you don't subscribe my channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon for instant notification of the uploaded videos. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. Here the question is given is a raised to the power of b times b raised to the power of a. This gives 2 raised to the power of square root 2. This is the given condition, and we have to find out the value of the a times b. First of all, let's take the given condition. Here the given is a raised to the power of b times b raised to the power of a. This gives 2 raised to the power of square root 2. This is the given condition. Let's simplify this and calculate uh, the value of the a times b, and this can be written as here. Let's do the some simplifications on it. 2 square root 2 square root 2 times 2 over 2. Here is the 1 multiplied with it, and in place of 1 we can write 2 over 2. Here we uh, just write 2 over 2 in place of 1, and this can be further simplified. 2 square root of 2, and let's take this power 1 over 2. This can be written as further written as 1 over 2 times 2. Here just split this fraction. 2 over 2 can be written as 1 over 2 times 2, and let's simplify this. 2 1 over 2, the power 1 over 2, it is raised to the power of 2 square root 2. Here we just combine, here we just split this combined form of the power. This is the combined form of the power. Here we just split it, we can split it. This is same as these two expressions are equivalent. uh, Let me write something about the indices here. By the laws of the indices, let me write here. If a raised to the power of m times n, and this is same as a raised to the power of mn. This is by the power to power law of the indices. Here we just use this concept in this expression, and this can further written as 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2 is just square root of 2, and it is here 2 square root of 2. This is just the value of the a raised to the power of b times b raised to the power of a. Here we just simplifying it, and this can be further written as square root of 2 on the exponent. Let's do simplification of the exponents. 2 square root of 2 can be written as square root of 2 plus square root of 2. Square root of 2 plus square root of 2 gives 2 square root of 2, and here we can apply the uh, power law of the indices. A raised to the power of m plus n, this can be written as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. We can distribute this power. This is the law of the indices. Let's do same here. This can be written as square root of 2 raised to the power of 1 power times square root of 2 raised to the power of this square root. This is the value of the a raised to the power of b times b raised to the power of a. Here we finally obtain this very beautiful result. A to the power of b times b to the power of a is here equals to square root 2 to the power of square root 2 times square root 2 to the power of square root 2. So we can easily say that by comparing this term, here in place of a, here is a, here is square root 2, and here is a, here is also square root 2. So the value of the a is here square root of 2, and in place of the b, here is square root 2, In place of b, here is square root 2. So the value of the base should be square root 2. Just comparing the corresponding terms here, corresponding position. The value of the a is square root 2 and the b is here square root 2. But our question is to find the a times b. Very easy to calculate the product of a and b. ab is here equals to square root of 2 times square root of 2. This is just 2. Here we finally obtain the value of the a times b. This is just 2. Here we use the basic idea of the exponents, and we finally obtain the value of the a times b. This is the final solutions of this question. This is very interesting. This looks like very complicated but very easy. In our next video, we will discuss more about such type of the questions. Please keep watching, keep loving this channel. This much for today. Thank you.